Hello students, last class we calculated the speed and distance of the motor boat. Let's see different types of boats. Motor boat, see this is, and here also motor boat. Long tail boat, see the tails like this, no, that's why it is long tail boat. Big machine boat, trawler, you see another name, trawler. But the fishermen are now very worried. There are some very big machine boats, trawlers in the business. They go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish, leaving very few near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. These big machine boats also catch the small baby fish which have yet to grow up. Fishermen in the smaller boats always let the baby fish pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They choose a net size in such a way that only the grown-up fish are caught. Children, do you understand what are they coming to tell? The very big machine boats, no, trawlers, they go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish and leaving very few near the seashore. And what are they doing? No, through the net they are collecting the small baby fish also, which have yet to grow up. Is it or not? Like that they are collecting all types of fish, even the small baby fish. But the fishermen in the smaller boats always let the baby fish pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They won't take the baby fish because they know very well, if we collect all the fish from the place, from the sea, then how again they can do the business, again how can they go for fishing. That's why they choose a net size in such a way. That net size also they'll choose only grown up fish can be taken through the net. The small fish cannot be taken. Like that only the fishermen they choose the type of net. But the big machine boat, the businessmen, trawlers, those who have trawlers, but they are not doing like that. For hundreds of years, fishermen have cared for the sea and its fishes and fished only a little to eat and sell. So what are they doing? They catch only little fish to eat and for sale. They say that if trawlers catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, there will be no fish left in the sea. It's true, children. If trawlers catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, even you can see in YouTube videos, it is shocking. One time they are catching 1,000 kilogram ton of fishes. Like that, if they collect every day, definitely there will not be any fish in the sea. Next, write a news report about the dangers faced by the fishes in our rivers and seas. Just try to write a news report about the dangers faced by the fishes in our rivers and seas. Which boat gets how much? Which boat gets how much? In one trip, the log boat, wood, that log boat tied together. The log boat made up of magango tree wood. But other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. So the log boat can bring about 20 kilogram of fish only, but the other types bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. Here they gave type of boats: log boat, long tail boat, motor boat, machine boat. And the second column, catch of fish in one trip. That is, if they go for one trip how much kilogram? Log boat catches 20 kilogram in one trip. Long tail boat catches 600 kilogram of fish in one trip. Then motor boat catches 800 kilogram of fish in one trip. The machine boat catches 6000 kilogram of fish in one trip. Then next one, speed of the boat. How far it goes in 1 hour. That is, the log boat goes in 1 hour. That is 4 kilometer per hour means 1 hour. Per means that is 1. So long tail boat goes 12 kilometer in 1 hour. Motor boat goes 20 kilometer in 1 hour. Machine boat goes 22 kilometer in 1 hour. So the first column, types of boat. Second column, how much kilogram of fish they are catching in one trip. And third column, the distance, the speed of the boat in 1 hour. The first question about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. So here they gave 1 trip, the weight of fish given for 1 trip. Now we are asked to find 7 trips. 1 trip is given. We have to find 7 trips for each type of boat. Example, if you take the log boat, for 1 trip 20 kilogram means 7 trip mean what do you do, children? What operation will you do? The value of 1 is given. That is, the value of 1 trip 20 kilogram. If you want to find 7 trip means we have to multiply. Like that for long tail boat, for motor boat, for machine boat. For the first question we are going to find, for 1 trip is given here. We are going to find 7 trip. The weight of fish, how much fish can be done in 7 trips. Let's see the answer. This is the first question. So types of boat and catch of fish in 1 trip. So in 1 trip, for the first log boat, 1 trip 20 kilogram means, what about 7 trip, children? We will multiply. So 7 into 20, 140 kilogram of fish. Long tail boat, 7 into 600, 4200 kilogram of fish. Motor boat, 7 into 800, 560. Sorry, here wrong, children. This is not 560. 5600. One more 0 is missing, children. Here 5600 kilogram of fish. 2 zeros we will take out. 7 8s are 56. So here, children, 5600. One more 0 will come. 5600 kilogram of fish. Then machine boat, 7 into 6000, 42,000 kilogram of fish. So to find here 1 trip, the weight of, how much fish can be done in 1 trip, it is given, and we are finding for 7 trips for each type of boat. Then the B question, about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? Here the type of boat and the speed of the boat given, no children, everything it is 1 hour. That is, log boat will go 4 km in 1 hour. Long tail boat will go 12 km in 1 hour. Motor boat will go 20 km in 1 hour. Machine boat will go 22 km in 1 hour. They gave everything in 1 hour. Now the question, about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? Here they are motor boat here. See, they gave in 1 hour. 1 hour 20 km. So 6 hours mean what do you do? Again multiplication. They gave 1 hour. We have value of 1. To find more, we multiply. So 6 into 20, 120 kilometer. Like that, other type boat also given. So let's see question. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer. If a long tail boat, see long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? Long tail boat goes 12 kilometer per hour. In 1 hour, how much distance? What is the speed? 12 kilometer. 1 hour, 12 kilometer. 2 hours, 2 into 12, 24. 3 hours, 3 12s are 36. 4 hours, 4 12s are 48. 5 hours, 5 12s are 60. So in 1 hour 12 kilometer, 2 hours 24 kilometer, 3 hours 36 kilometer, 4 hours 48 kilometer, 5 hours 60 kilometer. So to reach 60 kilometer, how long did it take? 5 hours. Here they have done formula method, that is to find the time. So time taken by the long tail boat to travel 60 kilometers. Formula: to find the time, we divide the distance by speed. Distance divided by speed. This is a formula, children. To calculate the time, we'll divide the distance by speed. The distance is 60 kilometers divided by the speed per hour is what? 12. So if you divide, you will get 5 hours. Or otherwise, mentally also you can calculate. 1 hour 12 kilometers means 2 hours 24, 3 hours 36, 4 hours 38, 5 hours 60 kilometers. Likewise also we can get the answer. Or otherwise, to calculate the time, we have to divide the distance by speed. We will get the same answer. That is distance 60 kilometers divided by speed 12. Then you are getting the answer as 5 hours.